guys, welcome back. I'm Jenna. I'm so excited that you're here today. Today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe for making your own lemonade at home. This month is all about us sharing with you several of the things that we make instead of buy on our homestead. We have a bunch of kids ourselves, and when we get together with our closest friends, there are 3 families and 19 children. And sometimes we get together kind of on a whim and it's last minute. Now, I have a lot of things on hand, but drinks and things to serve to our guests are not one of them. But I always have on hand a couple of things that we pick up at Costco. One of those are these awesome bottles of organic lemon juice. We always have this on hand, and I always purchase their really large bags of organic cane sugar. So with just those couple of ingredients, I can whip up a batch of lemonade and throw it into my dispenser, and everybody has something tasty to drink when they come over that we can serve to our guests. All right, so I'm just going to start out with 8 cups of water. Now clearly when we all get together, this is not nearly enough. I have to about triple this recipe. Okay, so I have 8 cups of water in my pot, and I'm going to add in a cup of my organic lemon juice. And about a cup of sugar. I have actually done this recipe with half the amount of sugar just as a test run, and it did turn out just great. Our kids, we require most of the time to do half and half when they're getting drinks like this. They water it down anyway, so a lot of them didn't complain. Others who are used to full strength things thought that it was a little bit weak. But if you're not used to lots of sugar, you can easily get away with about half a cup of sugar. So we're just gonna heat this up and let the sugar melt. We need all of those granules of sugar to melt away. Okay, now the last ingredient that I like to add gives it that little bit of freshness. It almost fools you into thinking that you have fresh squeezed lemonade. Bottled lemon juice doesn't quite have that same effect that you're gonna get when you're squeezing actual lemons. So I like to take a bottle of my lemon essential oil and just add in a couple of drops into the mix and just give that a really good stir. So that takes it from kind of boring and bland, kicks it up a notch, and makes it taste almost like you have fresh squeezed lemons in your lemonade. And it doesn't take very much at all, just a couple of drops. I'm going to give that a taste, make sure that it's good, and then I'm going to dump it into my dispenser. It's so good. Such a simple thing. It only took me a couple of minutes to heat this all up. So I have my big dispenser. Now I shouldn't have to warn you of this, but I'm doing this because the last time that I made lemonade, from cleaning it, the spout was open, and you don't want that when you go ahead and pour your stuff in here because it makes a really big mess. We had a little bit of a problem last time. So I'm just going to dump this in here. Okay, now clearly to get my jar completely full, I'm going to have to about triple that recipe to fill this all the way up. But I'm gonna do that really quickly. It only takes me a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna be all set and ready to go, and we're gonna have lots of happy kids ready to drink some lemonade. So thanks for hanging out with me today while I showed you this simple recipe for lemonade. Please check out some of our other videos that we've done this month as well on replacing things that you typically purchase and making them yourself at home. They're simple and fast and actually can save you quite a bit of money. So thanks for hanging out. We will catch you on the next one.